Today we're gonna learn how to solve the 2x2 cube. So I'm just gonna scramble up my cube, and then let's get started. The first thing we're gonna do is solve the white side. We normally know that there's always a case. So this case is where it's kind of like twisted. But I would like make the white side go the white piece to look at me, and then I'm gonna turn it to the left, bring it down, then right, then up. I'm gonna turn this piece left. I'm only looking at this piece. And this corner piece or whatever you can see. I'm gonna bring it to the right, bring this down, bring it up, and bring it back up, down, up, whatever. The other what happens is where it's like down. If there's only 3 pieces like this, we're gonna find if there's only one more spot. We're gonna find that one spot and bring it down there, and then move it out of the way, bring it back up. We're gonna we're gonna get the white side, and then after all these cases, so we're gonna get this to the left, which is already on my left, but I suppose it's over here. Move it to the left, down, and right, and it's on the right, and bring it back up, then left, then back up. And then this same case again. I'm gonna move it down here onto the piece where there is no piece, and then turn it down, move it out of the way, and bring it back up. I'm gonna turn it to the right one time, then turn it to the right again, then bring this down, bring it to the left, and bring it up. That was the first step. The second step is to get this part correct. The first thing is the first case is none of these are correct, which I'm gonna bring this down, left, up, and then find a red piece or a green piece. I'm just gonna find the green piece. Down, right, and remove this part and bring this up. We have a twin. The other thing is there's only 2 of them correct, so we have to swap these. So I'm gonna bring this down, then turn it to the left, and bring it back up. And I'm gonna move it back to the left again, bring it down to the left, and back up. And I'm gonna turn it to the left again, then again to the right, so to right, and to right, down, left, up. So we finished the second step. So now we found this part. We found this, this first layer. Now we're gonna get the last part. We're gonna get 2 layers to solve it. So the first case is that I don't see any pieces up here. So I'm gonna do this algorithm. Left, up, right, up, left, down, right. Yeah, and then left, right, down. And then that was the thing. Now we find one piece, okay? Now we're gonna do the same algorithm, but this, we need to align it over here. And we're gonna keep it to the right, not to the left, not in the back, or any place. We're gonna put it on the right. We're gonna do the algorithm. Left, up, right, up, left, down, there, and then there. And then I just solved this. I'm just gonna mess this up to show you some more cases. I'm gonna get this solved. That's what happens. And then the other case is where it's like there's 2 pieces. So we're gonna do that, and then these 2 are correct. I'm just gonna show you. So I'm not in that place, but it's already there. So I'm gonna show you if let's suppose that these two were swapped. So then these two are correct. We're gonna do that algorithm. Left, up, right, down, left, here. We're gonna keep doing the algorithm until all these cubes are there. And if these are already twisted, we're all gonna do the same algorithm on the back. We're gonna keep doing the algorithm until we have it like this, where it's like kind of twisted. But remember, we're not gonna twist the corner. I don't even know how to twist this corner. I don't know why I'm saying this. Now I'm gonna do the algorithm, last algorithm. Up, left, down, right. Up, left, down, right. Up. We're gonna keep doing this algorithm. Remember, we always have to finish it until these are like not twisted anymore. We're gonna turn it again, right here. Left, down, right, up, down, right. Now we have two layers, and then we just turn it into here, and then solved it. So that was the tutorial to solve the 2x2 Rubik's Cube. That's how you solve actually the 2x2, which is good actually. You can keep practicing, and remember to like and subscribe.